How can you use the app library on the iPad? Let me quickly show you and talk about how it works. If you're new here and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the app library is part of the iPadOS. It's been here for a while, right? But the point is that when you are on the home screen, you can swipe all the way to the right and you can find it. This is the app library, and the point of this place is to display all of your installed applications on your iPad. Because on the home screen, you can only decide to show some apps which you use frequently or some of your favorite apps. You can, just add like 3 apps on the home screen and 1 widget and be fine with it. But all of your apps are part of the app library. The way it works right now is that you don't have the ability to reorganize the app library. You can only use it as it is, right? So you can see all of the different folders, and apps are going to be categorized based on the functionality of the app, right? So we have like the games, we have like entertainment or social media and travel apps put in one particular folder. We also have like one of the suggestion folders, which is at the top. This changes constantly based on the way you use your apps, and also the recently added, which is shown based on the latest apps you downloaded. So, you can always just find apps right here. But me personally, when I want to find my app, I just go to the app library and click on the search, and now it's all sorted alphabetically. So I can even quickly scroll through the letters, and this lets me find any app on my iPad quickly because it's, in the alphabetical order. So that's kind of how I like to use it. And of course, you can use it to bring all of the apps which you frequently want to access on the home screen. You just drag it from the app library and add it to your home screen. So that is the whole point behind it. Let me know if you like the feature, what you think about it. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later.